Stop treating your car like a piggy bank for your local mechanic. Most drivers see a can of WD-40 and think squeaky door hinge. I see a chemical bypass for 90% of the emergencies that shops used to pay their rent. Today I'm showing you why this blue and yellow bottle is the most underrated tool in your garage. We're going deep into 15 genius hacks that will save you thousands in detailing and repairs. Secrets the pros usually keep behind closed doors. Trick 15. Restore interior car shine instantly. Detailing shops love to charge premium fees for removing what I call human residue, sticky cup holders, old parking permit adhesive, or gum that's been part of your carpet for 3 years. They'll charge you $150, you can do it for 5 cents. The secret: WD-40 is an aliphatic hydrocarbon, it eats adhesives for breakfast. Pro tip: never spray the dash directly. Mist a microfiber cloth and massage the gunk away. It dissolves the bond without fatting the plastic. Just follow up with a quick wipe of soapy water to kill the scent and the oil. You're left with a factory fresh finish and an extra $150 in your pocket. Who else is tired of paying dealers for magic? They're just pulling out of a spray can. Trick 14. Unstick frozen car keys fast. There's a specific kind of panic when your ignition key won't turn. You start smelling a $400 bill for a new lock cylinder. Don't call the tow truck yet. Dust and microscopic metal shavings eventually turn the internal lubricant into a thick sludge that jams the tumblers. Spray the key, not the hole. Work it in and out like you're picking a lock. The WD-40 breaks down that sludge and flushes the pins. If it doesn't turn after 3 tries, then call the locksmith. But 9 times out of 10, you just repaired your ignition in 60 seconds. Trick 13. Make windshield chips less visible. I'm not telling you this replaces a professional resin fill, but if you have a tiny star chip that's driving you crazy and distracting your eyes, this is the ultimate hack. By dabbing a tiny amount of WD-40 into the chip and wiping it flush, you're filling the air gaps where light reflects. It changes the way light passes through the glass, making the chip disappear from your line of sight. It's perfect for getting through the week until you can get a permanent fix. Plus, it's the only thing that actually removes ghost streaks left by old wipers. Trick 12. Hide light paint scratches instantly. Body shops charge $500 for paint correction. If you have light surface scratches, the kind that disappear when the car is wet, you don't need a buffer, you need chemistry. WD-40 fills the microscopic valleys in your clear coat, allowing light to reflect evenly again. It's the secret weapon used by shady car flippers to make a beat-up paint job look mint for a buyer. Use it for a photo shoot or a quick glow-up before a car meet. It won't fix a scratch you can feel with your fingernail, but for everything else, it's an instant undo but. Trick 11. Revive worn wiper blades quickly. Stop throwing away $60 every 6 months on premium wipers. Your blades aren't usually worn out, they're just blinded by road film and oxidized rubber. Soak a rag in WD-40 and pull it along the rubber edge. Look at that black gunk on the rag, that's the reason your wipers are streaking. The spray cleans the edge and restores the flexibility of the rubber. You can double the life of your blades with this 30-second move. Seriously, how much money have we all wasted on wipers because no one told us they just needed a bath? Trick 10. Freeze seize spark plugs without force. This is the difference between a $50 DIY job and a $2,500 engine teardown. If a spark plug is seized in an aluminum head and you force it, the threads will come out with the plug. WD-40 has an incredibly low surface tension. It creeps into the threads where other oils can't. Spray the plugs the night before you plan to change them. Let the chemistry work while you sleep. By morning, those frozen plugs will spin out like they were never stuck. This isn't a suggestion. If your car has over 100,000 miles, this is a requirement. Trick 9. Make tire sidewalls look brand new. Tire dressings are usually sticky, attract dust, and fling onto your paint. If you want that deep, rich, new rubber look without the grease, hit the sidewalls with a WD-40 soaked rag. It removes the blooming, the brown oxidation, and leaves a satin black finish that looks professional. Critical safety: do not get this on the treads. Oil plus treads equals a very bad day at the first turn. Keep it on the sides and your car will look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Trick 8. Eliminate battery corrosion completely. That white and blue fuzz on your battery is a slow-motion heart attack for your electrical system. It causes resistance that kills alternators. Clean the terminals, then spray a light coat of WD-40 over them. Because it's a water displacer, it creates a hydrophobic shield that prevents acid gases from reacting with the metal. No moisture, no corrosion. It's a 10-second insurance policy against your car failing to start on a Monday morning. Trick 7. Restore foggy headlights in minutes. Cloudy headlights aren't just ugly, they're dangerous. They turn your $50 bulbs into $2 flashlights, while a full restoration kit is the permanent fix. WD-40 is the instant fix. It fills the microscopic pits in the oxidized plastic, turning that frosted look into a clear lens instantly. If you're about to go on a night drive and realize you can't see the road, give them a quick wipe. You'll be shocked at how much more throw your beams have. Trick 6. Protect door seals from freezing shut. In winter, water gets between your door and the rubber seal freezes and welds your car shut. If you pull hard enough, you'll rip a $200 weather strip. Wipe your seals with WD-40 in the fall. Since ice can't bond to the oil, your doors will pop open effortlessly even in sub-zero temps. It also keeps the rubber supple so it doesn't dry rot and let wind noise into the cabin. It's the ultimate quiet car hack. Trick 5. Stop surface rust before it spreads. Rust is the cancer of the car world. If you see an orange speck on your door edge, it's already eating the metal. WD-40 stops oxidation by cutting off the oxygen supply. Spray the spot, scrub it with a brush, and coat it again. It freezes the rust in its tracks, giving you months to get a proper paint touch-up before it turns into a hole. Catching it now for $1 prevents a $500 body shop bill later. Trick 4. Quiet a squealing belt in seconds. That screech when you start the car is usually a glazed serpentine belt. Mechanics love to charge $150 to fix this. With the engine running, carefully give the ribbed side of the belt a tiny spritz. If the noise stops instantly, the belt was just dirty or glazed. You just saved yourself a diagnostic fee. If the noise stays, you have a bad bearing. Either way, you now have the truth before you walk into a shop. Trick 3. Loosen stuck fuel doors without breaking them. There is nothing more embarrassing than being at a gas station and having to pry your fuel door open with a credit card. The hinges on your fuel door, hood, and trunk are exposed to salt and rain 365 days a year. A 5-second spray of WD-40 twice a year prevents the seizure that leads to snapped plastic latches. It's maintenance you can do while the pump is running. Trick 2. Fix sticky seat belt retractors instantly. If your seat belt stays limp when you unbuckle, it's a safety hazard. Usually, it's just years of dust and skin oils creating friction in the retractor. Pull the belt all the way out and wipe the webbing with a light coat of WD-40. It reduces the surface tension so the belt can slide back into the pillar like it's brand new. Just make sure to wipe it dry so you don't stain your Sunday best. Trick 1. Prevent brake rotor rust after washing. You know that orange flash rust that makes your rotors look 100 years old right after a wash? It's a nightmare for anyone with open-spoke wheels. The senior expert move. Use the straw to spray only the center hat of the rotor and the very outer rim. Avoid the braking surface like the plague. It keeps your brakes looking showroom clean and prevents the wheels from welding to the hub via rust. It's a subtle touch that separates the amateurs from the pros. WD-40 isn't just a lubricant, it's a survival kit for your wallet. If you're ready to stop being a victim of the repair shop, hit that subscribe button. I've got a video coming up next on ghost features that car engineers hid in your dashboard. You're going to want to see this. Stay smart, stay greasy, and I'll see you in the next one.